Alright everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video we have another car meet, and in today's video we're going to be using the trusty, let's use the 35mm for this video. I'm going to show you guys why this 35mm is a must-have lens in your kit. So this entire shoot I'm going to be using this 35 here paired with my of course Sony A7 IV. So this should be pretty interesting. Lots of awesome cars here lined up again today, so hopefully this should be a really fun and interesting shoot. Stick around. Let's get the photos going. I'm gonna go ahead and put the chest strap on and go have some fun. Check it. Oh dang, it is like an interior door. Thing's crazy.
Let's see, I have it's all like 2.5 inch steel from factory, but it's catback and test pipes.
You did it yourself?
Yeah.
The stock muffler and everything?
The previous owner changed like the muffler tips, but because normally it looks like those vacuum cleaner looking things, but now it's just quad tips.
Yeah. I'll take some pictures for your Instagram if you need them all.
Thank you.
Yep.
How many miles do you got on here?
Okay, so at around 120 something, the engine blew.
Oh, sounds about right.
I found oh, don't tell me. Don't tell me.
I taught him before he bought it.
No, only bad bearings.
Yeah.
I had rod knock.
Yeah.
And then I found a engine from a salvage car with like 69,000 miles on it. So
15 horsepower. Yeah. I got 35 miles on it.
my friend might be pulling up today. He has a red 3.8, but I didn't know that. I think mine's the ultimate.
And they have like a ton of companies and brands tagged. It's one of those tag companies, and it shows you like whatever you want. What happened to yours?
Yeah, well, we
got them out. Out or what?
Cut them out.
This is a V8?
Yeah, it's got the one UZ.
Oh, nice. This is the same one that comes in the SC 400s?
Yeah. I think so. I think they're just coming down with it.
And then it's the 2JZ and the SC 300s, right? Or is it 300 or 350? I can't remember. Is that really how the windows roll down? That is so sick.
Yeah, I thought they were. I rolled one down when I first.
And it looked like it just.
And I thought it fell off the track, and I was upset. But then I started looking. If it were to go straight down, it would hit.
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
So
Cause
they have to make them tilt so that it.
yeah,
That's a big window.
that is pretty cool. That thing looks sick. Dang. You done glazing the Genesis?
Dude, his car cost him 40K.
40K? That is stupid.
Короче, he got it with like 100-some thousand miles for 22,000.
22. What year is it?
Same as mine,
That is stupid. All right, but he got scammed.
but he has a base model.
That's crazy.
I was like, dog, I'm gonna fix mine up for like 8,000 max. He said,
Did you show him the back end?
I did. He was like, oh, is there frame damage? I'm like, nah.
Most of his money's probably on that blown engine.
10K.
He spent 10K on the motor?
Dude, those motors are free.
Oh my gosh.
I could probably see 19 and it'll blow off the marketplace.
Yeah, I don't know about that.
Yeah, I don't know about that one. But we'll be alright.
Still,
I'm just gonna say I lost his VIN number. I think that's their buddy. He's going over there.
is it?
Yeah, I told him you need a super. He was like, "Oh, you just worked for my buddy." So he's gonna buddy you with a credit card debt.
Financial burden.
At least I'm not that financially burdened.
Bro, imagine driving this thing. Oh,
That's a fire too.
bro, look at the little breadsticks.
See that shifter?
Oh yeah. I think that's a S4.
Dude, all these Audis look the same. I'm like, wow. Like they have sunroof features.
Let me see. S4.
Fundamentally, they're the
RS3.
same.
They're
Fundamentally?
No, they're different. What are you looking in there for?
What's the sunroof so big?
Oh yeah, the sunroof looks crazy. It's like flush with the.
I know. That's what I'm saying. Why is it so big?
Nah, stop it. This RS3 though looks crazy. I might take some pictures of it. Come on, come on. It looks like a sad puppy with his mirrors folded.
Ears are down.
Dang, those wheels are hecka dirty. Look at that.
All right, bro, you screwing the wheel.
Oh, look at that Ferrari.
Yeah, and they're not running flats. They're running flats. Yeah, it's
It needs to be like buffed out. It's got a lot of needs some paint correction. See all the minor scratches or whatever.
Can you move back a little bit?
Oh, minor.
Yes. Thank you for the phone cut.
I think it's bad.
I know. I think it's
That's the 1000cc.
this thing is
Dude,
crazy.
this thing's massive.
Look at the transmission on that.
This thing is massive. Might even have 1250.
Look at the little brake caliper.
Yeah, 1042cc.
That's crazy.
It's gonna fly by you at the speed of sound. Look how big these tires are.
Dude, that is crazy.
Dude, that's a massive wheel for a bike.
That is huge. It's
That's like my Prius wheel.
I wanted to get one of these. Dang, this thing has seen some better days.
Yeah.
I'll just take one photo of it. Yeah, I mean, this car's like from the 70s. It's very hard to find them in good condition.
Better hurry up. I have some upstairs.
The sub is crazy in the back. Look at this GTR.
RB20 DE2.
I want to take a picture of these wheels.
Well, I'm sorry, I didn't stroke it, but very sticky. I'd be
Sorry, we're talking about
stroking it, and when I say
Dude, look at the Corvette lineup.
We need like a generation lineup. Like we need a C3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you know?
Let me like come over here. Alright, there we go. Chat, I think he's cooked, man. Like,
I'm cooked.
Like,
I'm just a spectator.
bro doesn't even know what car he's looking at anymore. What car is this?
S5.
Yeah, he's cooked, chat.
I gotta water it a little bit, it'll become S5.
What was that hand gesture?
Yeah.
What is this contraption?
Where's your,
Do you see this contraption he's driving on? He's got wheels on sandals and then like a... What is that? What did I just see?
How much you want for that thing? I'll buy it off.
That's the coolest thing I've seen so far. Chat, we're cooked. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little hot out here. But that's gonna be it for today. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed. It's been pretty fun. It's a really hot day. You can probably see I'm super sweaty. So if you enjoyed today's video, please surely consider subscribing, and we'll catch you guys next one. Take care and goodbye.